I cannot think the moral inspirational display, the girl determination and pure athletic endurance as I declared Goa commitment towards the moment. In the years ahead, we intend to shape the Goa as a premier hub for the sports tourism.
I want that feeling back. The feeling of the great joy and emotion that I had when I was racing Ironman Kona. So it gave me strength. And this strength of happiness and of enjoyment, this is what I now want to pass on to people who don't even think that it exists. But if they want to do a race and complete and come to the finish line, they will see all the training, all the hard work, it was worth it. And this is what I hope to inspire many people.
They actually saw the event and they were inspired by the event. They actually saw that all the hotels were full. They all saw that, all the taxis were full, the restaurants were full, the 7-Elevens and the convenience stores were getting absolutely raided and the supermarkets were getting pulled out. And, that is a tourism town, and we, now bring 3,500 athletes to compete there. But on top of that, they all bring their families because it's right next to the Barrier Reef and they want to have a holiday and all those kind of bits and pieces with it. So, the Queensland government loves it because the return on investment that they get is huge. The economic impact for that event is in the 20 to 30 million mark, which is a great asset for one weekend. And I can see that happening here in Goa.
Sunday, the swim segment is on Miramar Beach. It's 1.9 kilometers swimming. It is 2 loop, 950 meters each loop. It starts around anywhere between 6:45 to 7 a.m. depending on the sunlight or the visibility post the sunrise. Post that is where the bicycle part of it, which is 90 kilometers. The bicycle course is Miramar to Kala Academy, to the casinos, to Dvija Circle, onto the river causeway, trace the route back to Miramar Circle, go up to Donapala Circle, take a left towards, Manipal, the universities and the All India radio station, trace all the way back to Miramar Beach.